Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yes, your answer should match mine because this is the correct answer. In today's BLIFT, they are clearly saying that you have to use comma and quotation mark where? In direct speech. So we will be learning what is a direct speech and how to use comma and inverted commas. Now these are inverted commas which we put in the start of a dialogue and in the end of the dialogue, which is very important. Now in comic books, the artists use speech bubbles, but not in writing. So how will we know that this is the dialogue or a speech or the exact sentence or words said by the speaker? So in that case, we use inverted commas in the start and inverted commas at the end of the speech or the dialogue. So this is the correct way. And when we see inverted commas in the dialogue, that is called the direct speech. So this is what I mean to say. We need to put inverted commas, the simple comma, and the end marks could be a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. So this is the wrong way of writing a speech. Listen, Jamal said, I am going to the store. This is what Jamal said. So these are the actual words said by the Jamal. So we have to put inverted commas before and at the end of the actual speech. So this is what I mean to say. I am going to the store. Inverted comma start, inverted comma close, and followed by comma, Jamal said. So whatever has Jamal said, we have to write it between the inverted commas. So this is yet another example. If this is a question, of course we have to put a question mark, or if there is a need for the exclamation mark, we have to put the exclamation mark at the end. Now it has three patterns. Sometimes we write the speaker name, then the speech. Sometimes the speech comes first and then the speaker name. Sometimes the speech comes in the start or in the end, and there is a speaker name in the center. So we will be learning all three types. Now she said is the speaker name and this is the speech. So in this case, this is the first type in which the speech is at the end. In this case, the speech is in the start and then comes the speaker name. And in this type, you can see speech, speaker name, and then the speech, which is the third type in which the speaker name comes in the center. So we have learned that there should be inverted commas before the start and end of the speech, and we have to use a comma in between that and use appropriate ending remarks according to the desire of the sentence. So I hope that you have learned well, and this is the exercise. You have to do it in the class with the help of your teacher. Go home, do your homework. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.